You've probably been told that if a woman isn't interested, you should just give up, move on, or try harder to prove yourself. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Women don't miss men because they need them. They miss men because those men know how to create a powerful emotional presence, even in their absence. This video isn't about cheesy tricks or fake pickup lines. It's about understanding female psychology on a deeper level, and how you can subtly position yourself so that even a woman who wasn't interested at first finds herself thinking about you when you're not around. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Indifference is not permanent, it's a reaction. And if you know how to flip that reaction, you can completely shift how a woman perceives you. On Stoic Reflection, we keep it simple. No begging, no chasing, no pretending. Now understand this. Making a woman miss you isn't about chasing, begging, or proving your worth. Those are the fastest ways to kill attraction. Women don't respect men who try too hard. What actually makes a woman miss you is the exact opposite of what most men do. It's not about being available. It's about becoming unforgettable. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly how to do that, step by step. I'll show you how to trigger curiosity, respect, and eventually desire, even from a woman who wasn't giving you the time of day. Stay with me until the end. 1. Why chasing kills attraction. The harder you chase a woman, the faster she runs. Chasing flips the balance of power. Instead of her feeling lucky to have your attention, she sees you as the one desperately seeking hers. And nobody misses what they already have too much of. When you're constantly calling, texting, or trying to impress her, you're giving her emotional overload. She doesn't need to think about you, because you've made yourself too available. Women don't miss men who chase. They miss men who create space and mystery. And here's the part most guys ignore. Chasing also communicates insecurity. It tells her you don't see yourself as valuable enough to stand still and let her come to you. And nothing kills attraction faster than insecurity. So if you want her to actually start missing you, the first rule is simple. Stop chasing. Step back. Give her space to notice your absence. Imagine you text a woman 3 times a day and she replies short or dry. Instead of doubling your efforts, stop texting completely for 2 days. What happens more often than not? She'll wonder where you went, check your profile, or even reach out first. By not chasing, you created the space for her curiosity to grow. 2. Silence speaks louder than text. Most men believe constant communication is the key to making a woman like them. On the surface, it feels like effort, but in reality, it's the quickest way to make her take you for granted. When your words are always available, they lose their value. Silence, on the other hand, has weight. It creates tension. It makes a woman think. And curiosity is far more powerful than familiarity. Attention is a currency, and silence is how you increase its value. If you hand out constant texts and calls, she'll treat it like loose change, always there, never special. But when you hold back, even just for a while, your attention suddenly feels rare. And people crave what's rare. Now, don't confuse silence with immaturity. This isn't about ignoring her or playing childish games. It's about balance. Proving your world doesn't revolve around her messages. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say to a woman is nothing at all. Say you've been messaging a woman daily and she suddenly starts replying less or takes longer to respond. Most men panic and send even more texts. Instead, you pull back. You don't send a message for a full day. What happens? She eventually notices the gap, checks her phone expecting your name, and may even initiate contact. Quick checkpoint. If you're still trying to talk a woman into feeling something, you're already losing. Let her mind do the work. 3. Stop being too available. Being available 24/7 doesn't win her over. It makes you predictable, boring, and forgettable. When you're always there, there's no challenge, no tension, no excitement. Human nature doesn't crave what's guaranteed. When something is hard to get, you value it more. When something is handed to you without effort, it stops feeling special. The same principle shows up in attraction. Women don't crave men who orbit around them. They're drawn to men with their own lives, passions, and priorities. Men who sometimes say, "I can't. I'm busy." Independence is attractive because it signals value outside of her attention. So here's the truth. The more available you make yourself, the less she feels the need to miss you. Create space, and she starts to notice your absence. 4. Mystery beats honesty every time. Honesty matters in relationships, but too much honesty too soon kills the spark. Most men think laying all their cards on the table builds connection. In reality, it removes the mystery that keeps her intrigued. Attraction isn't logical, it's emotional. Curiosity drives emotion. When she doesn't fully know what you're about, she fills in the blanks herself. And that wondering keeps you on her mind. Think about your favorite movies or books. The suspense and the unknown are what make them exciting. If the story spoiled itself in the first 5 minutes, you'd lose interest. Women feel the same way about men. Mystery creates value. Missing you starts in the mind, not the heart. It's not what you tell her that makes her miss you. It's what you don't. 5. Never compete for her attention. Too many men are stuck in the trap of competing for a woman's attention. They see her post a picture and rush to comment before anyone else. They notice other guys around her and suddenly feel the need to outperform them. Let's be blunt. If you're competing for her attention, you've already lost. Real men don't compete. They attract. A man who knows his worth doesn't care who else is texting her. Stop putting her attention on a pedestal like it's a trophy you have to fight for. Desperation never wins respect. Women are drawn to men who create demand, not men who beg for supply. The more you chase and compete, the more she'll pull back and give her attention to the man who doesn't try so hard. Flip the script. You are the standard. 6. Confidence is more addictive than love. Women aren't drawn to love first. They're drawn to confidence. You can give affection and effort, but if you lack confidence, she won't feel that spark. Confidence is quiet. It's how you carry yourself without constantly seeking approval. It's not arrogance. It's self-belief. Think about it. You've seen women choose a guy who wasn't the nicest or even the best looking, but he had that unshakable self-belief. That wasn't an accident. Confidence signals strength, stability, and leadership. And confidence is action. Making decisions, standing by your opinions, and being comfortable walking away if you're not respected. Love without confidence becomes dependency. Dependency is repelling. Confidence is what lingers in her mind long after you've left. 7. Make her think she's losing you. Nothing makes a woman miss a man faster than the thought of losing him. People don't value what's guaranteed. They value what they might lose. If she knows you'll always be there no matter what, she has no reason to chase, appreciate, or miss you. But when she senses your attention is slipping away, something shifts. She starts questioning, what if he's moving on? What if another woman is getting his attention? What if I've lost my chance? That fear is powerful. This isn't about manipulation. It's about self-respect. You're not pretending to pull away. You're showing that if she doesn't value you, someone else will. Stop making yourself a guarantee. Be willing to walk away and let her feel the silence. That's when she'll start to miss you the most, because your absence forces her to feel what your presence used to give her. The bottom line is this: women don't actually miss the nice guy. They miss the man who has the strength to walk away and let her feel his absence. If you don't know how to create space, she won't value you. She'll forget you. The man who respects himself enough not to beg is the man she ends up chasing. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever chased too hard? Or has silence ever pulled her back to you? Drop your story in the comments. I'll be checking them personally. And before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. In the next video, we'll talk about why giving a woman your full loyalty too soon might be the very reason she pulls away. Another lesson we break down here on Stoic Reflection. So click on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when I release the next video. I'll see you then.